Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create motion paths in Saola Animate. Elements can be animated moving along more complex curves than just a straight line by using motion paths. A motion path is a curved animation between two or more points. Here I have a dragonfly with flapping wings, and I'll create a motion path to make it fly across the scene. First, you select the dragonfly. Navigate to the Position and Size tab, click on the Location keyframe, which is a special keyframe of two properties, Translate X and Translate Y. On the timeline, drag the playhead to the desired ending time of the animation segment, and add another keyframe. On the canvas, drag the dragonfly across the scene to change the location property value. You can edit the motion path by adding and modifying its anchor points. To create a normal anchor point, hover over a motion path until the mouse pointer turns into a pointing hand, and then click and drag the path as desired. As you can see, 4 normal anchor points have been added to the path. With any anchor point selected, its control points will appear to help you adjust the path between two anchor points. Drag the control points and you can see changes in the motion path. If you don't want any anchor point, simply delete it by holding down the Shift key while clicking it. A yellow circle point here is the key anchor point that has associated keyframe on the timeline. OK, now click the play button to preview. The dragonfly is flying across the scene. But clearly its movement is unnatural as it doesn't orient along the direction of the path. To solve this problem, tick the Auto Orient Motion Path checkbox. You can see that the direction of the dragonfly is now continuously parallel to the path. Now I will make the dragonfly land on grass for some seconds. Let's see how I do it. Drag the playhead to the point at which the dragonfly lands on grass and add a location keyframe. This also creates a key anchor point in the motion path. Select this location keyframe and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Drag the playhead to a different point of time and press Ctrl+V to paste the keyframe. A location animation segment is created with no transition, meaning that the dragonfly stays still during this course of time. Now it's time to see the result. The dragonfly flies above the grassland. Then it lands on grass for some seconds and quickly flies away. When it comes to creating animations, especially motion paths, easing methods can specify the speed at which a transition progresses over time. It lets you change the acceleration and deceleration of a transition to make it more natural. So that's how to create and edit motion paths in Saola Animate.